Hi, I'm Tonya Caruso. Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers, working to provide positive outcomes for all children and their families. Joining us in our studios this half hour is John Lydon. He's the CEO of Auberle. Thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today.
Oh, thanks for having us.
Auberle's been around for so long, really an important part of the community.
Well, we try and do really good work. We benchmark ourselves nationally. Last year we helped over 2,000 children in 8 counties in southwestern Pennsylvania in a wide variety of ways.
Yeah, so many different ways, and let's just talk about some of them to give our viewers an idea.
Well, we do things with children that are out of their home and are with us in residential. We operate emergency shelter for several counties. We have foster care. We do a lot of work going into homes to keep children at home and to strengthen families. We operate an alternative education system for 15 school districts in southwestern PA. We have substance abuse programs, mental health programs, a lot of prevention programs, some very unique that we've imported to the United States. So there's a lot of things going on.
Right, and you really help children who are struggling on a bunch of different levels with a bunch of different issues.
Right, in many different ways. Some of our children are with us to be protected because of situations at home. Some of our children are truly orphans. Some have behavior issues. And some are with us because their family has issues, and we're working to strengthen that family.
So you really are a lifeline for so many of these young people. And really, it's almost frightening to think where these young people would be if you were not there.
Well, one of the things we try and do is really work with our kids to be good, productive citizens. We're doing a project right now this morning where our kids are turning a retention pond into an aquatic environment. We have a number of businesses that have come in and helped us with that. They learned about it, researched it, designed it, and the kids that really excel at that will be moving into our environmental, one of our 5 vocational programs.
That's amazing. And as you're doing all of this, like for everyone else, money is often an issue. And so you have fundraisers, you also have a big campaign, and tell me about that.
Well, we have our Delivering Excellence campaign. We started out to raise $4 million. Very unusual for us. It's only the 2nd capital campaign in 50 years for us. We've actually exceeded the $4 million, and we're hoping when we close it in November to be at $5 million. But the other part of that we're doing is raising visibility and bringing volunteers in. We have 250 staff, but last year we had 840 active volunteers.
Wow. Who
really make an impact and a difference in the lives of the children.
So the money raised in this campaign goes where?
The money goes to targeted almost exclusively for new programs and expanding programs. We've only built one item in the program, and that was to triple the size of our independent living program. Other than that, it's going to launch new initiatives and has done that, all of them benchmarked and measured to deliver excellence.
Right, and as part of this fundraising, you also have some fun events, and you have a big one coming up. Tell me about this one.
Yes, the Voices Carry event. I always tell people it is the most fun charity event in Pittsburgh. It's September the 28th at Heinz Field. We're blessed that a number of organizations like the Clarks, Donnie Iris, Randy Bauman, Etta Cox, B.E. Taylor, a ton of different top musicians in western Pennsylvania volunteer and come out. Number of celebrities and Steeler players come out and participate in the activity and just have a good time. They play all night. There's no speeches. It's all a lot of fun for a really good cause and a great way to introduce people to Auberle.
And where does it take place?
It takes place at Heinz Field in the East Hall.
That's great, and we've been putting on the screen website, phone number where folks can go for more information. And it's a great way to raise community awareness as well.
Yes, and it helps us in this context. While we raise money, we're really mostly interested in raising friends. And so it's a way to introduce people to Auberle and get involved.
And bring them together. Thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today. We certainly do appreciate it.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm Tonya Caruso. Thanks for watching Comcast Newsmakers. We'll send you back now to HLN.